guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper squishy. So let's get started. I had to re-upload this again because the link wasn't working. But this time I'm not going to add a link. So for the printables, if you have a printer, you can always make it yourself with Google Slides. You can just search it up and you'll get the link there and just use an account. And yeah, you'll be able to make your own thing. And you can print it out. That's if you have a printer. But if you don't have a printer, I will show you another way. First, I'm going to show you the printable. My printable. You need to make it like this. There you go. Like that. Like a cross shape. Okay, so yeah, now I'm really going to show you what to do if you do not have a printer. Use a ruler and draw a line. I'm going to use it like this. And now do how long you want it. Now just do it. Same length. And now do it. Okay. There we go. So now you're going to cut it out. Okay, so I cut out mine. If you want, you can decorate it to make a difference so it won't look like, so you won't have trouble seeing it. See, you guys can't really see it unless you drew the lines. So yeah, you might want to decorate it. Done decorating mine. Now let's just use it because it's just a guide. So let's just start using it. Okay, with your guide, now you're going to trace the square, the whole square. There you go. And now do another one. You don't have to do the top for the second one. Now, once you've done two, you're just going to add two more. So there are 4 squares. So I'm done doing my 4 squares. So now onto the sides, you're going to do another one. Same for the other side. And you can just do a line. There you go. Now you're all set. And I'm going to be using the printable, the one I printed out. So with that for the rest of the tutorial. So yeah, let's just move on and do the craft. Okay, so you're now going to color the first square and the whole squares. You can do it in any pattern or any color. Let's just get coloring. Okay, so this is my design, so I'm just gonna color it in now, all the other squares. Now you're going to cut it out. Once you're done cutting it, you're now going to flip it on the back and you're going to fold this piece. Fold it nicely. Then this piece. And this piece. And for this flap, I'm just going to fold it like this. And now like this. So now open it up. And you've got everything open. You're now going to tape it all together but just not this flap, because this flap is going to be the lid since we're going to add in cotton. Now you're going to stick it, tape it, and yeah. And, well, just this flap, but not this flap. Okay, it's looking good. This is looking pretty good. And I'm going to tell you a tip now. Okay, the tip now is, if you guys see any corners like that, you're going to tape it, adding an extra piece of tape. So that's gonna be good. So yeah, I think I'm good. Okay, so you're now going to add in cotton. So I'm going to take pretty much a handful. Okay, so you're going to have more than 3. And now you're going to stuff it in the box. Add in more, add in more, add in more. This is actually not enough. Actually, I have to add more because when you squeeze it, you don't want it to be all crumbly, yeah. And now you're going to seal this shut. Sealed it, you've got your squishy. Super soft and squishy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like, subscribe, and share videos, and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, see you in the next video.